Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a donut shop. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. Why do donuts have a hole? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hi, Ellie. Thank you for waiting.
Hi, Ken. I just got here too.
Wow, it smells so sweet here.
Yes, it does. I love this smell.
It smells like sugar and butter.
It makes me happy. Do you like donuts?
Yes, I love donuts. How about you?
I love them too. I eat them often.
This is the donut shop I told you about.
Oh, really? I'm so excited.
My friends always talk about this place.
That's nice. I want to try everything.
Look at the window. So many donuts.
Wow, they look so pretty.
How do you feel today, Ellie?
I feel great. The weather is nice.
Yes, it's a perfect day for a walk.
And a perfect day for donuts.
When did you eat a donut last?
Maybe 2 months ago.
Oh, that's a long time.
I know. I really want one now.
Me too. I haven't had one in weeks.
Then today is a special day for us.
Yes, a sweet day.
How did you find this shop?
My friend showed me a picture.
Oh, a picture of a donut?
Yes, a big chocolate one.
That sounds amazing.
I wanted to come right away.
I'm glad you brought me here.
I'm glad you came with me.
Look, the door is so cute too.
Yes, it has a little bell.
I want to open it now.
Let's go in soon.
Ken, can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it?
I always wanted to know, why do donuts have a hole?
Oh, that's a good question.
I always wanted to know.
I heard the hole helps it cook well.
Oh, really? That makes sense.
The middle was often not cooked well.
So someone made a hole in the middle.
Yes, that's the story I heard.
That's so smart. I love that story.
How about in your country?
In my country, some people eat donuts in the morning.
Really? With coffee?
Yes, coffee and donuts, a classic.
That sounds so nice.
Some people eat them every day.
Wow, every day? That's amazing.
Donuts back home are often bigger and sweeter.
Oh, that sounds rich.
How about donuts in Japan?
We have many soft and fluffy ones.
Oh, I want to try those.
Japanese donuts are not too sweet.
That sounds perfect for me.
What is your favorite flavor?
I love chocolate the most.
Oh, me too. Chocolate is the best.
How about strawberry?
I like it too. Pink is so cute.
Yes, pink donuts are cute.
I heard old donuts had no hole.
Really? No hole at all?
Yes, they were just round balls.
Oh, like donut holes today.
Yes, kind of like that.
That's so interesting to know.
I love learning small facts like this.
Me too. It's fun.
Do you eat donuts for breakfast?
Sometimes, on weekends.
That sounds so happy.
It's a small joy.
Wow, look at all these donuts.
There are so many, I can't choose.
Look at that chocolate one.
That looks good, very shiny.
I love chocolate donuts so much.
Do you eat them often?
Yes, almost every week.
Oh wow, you really love chocolate.
Look at this one.
It's pink and yellow.
It looks like a flower.
So colorful and cute.
I want to take a picture.
Take many pictures.
When I was a child, I loved sugar donuts.
Oh, the simple white ones?
Yes, just sugar on top. So good.
My mom made donuts at home before.
Really? That sounds amazing.
They were warm and so soft.
I want to try her donuts.
Maybe one day.
Look at the heart-shaped one.
Oh, that's so cute.
It has little white dots on it.
Maybe we should get that one.
I want it, but I want others too.
That's a hard choice.
Look, there's a strawberry cream one.
Oh, the pink one with cream on top?
Yes, that one. I really want it.
It looks delicious.
I'll get the strawberry one for sure.
Good choice. It looks fresh.
Let's get 2 each.
Good idea. 2 for me, 2 for you.
Look at the green one over there.
Oh, that must be matcha.
Matcha? Like green tea?
Yes, it's a Japanese flavor.
I want to try that too.
It's a little bitter and sweet.
That sounds nice.
Look, that one has nuts on top.
Wow, it looks special.
I think it's a new one.
So many things to try.
We can come back many times.
That's a good plan.
Okay, let's get in line.
Yes, I'm ready to order. The line is long today.
Yes, it's a busy day.
I'm not in a hurry, are you?
No, I'm not. Let's relax.
Look at the menu over there.
Oh, they have a summer flavor.
Lemon and mint? That sounds fresh.
I want to try the lemon one.
Let's get one and share it.
That's a great plan.
They also have a star of the month.
Oh, the strawberry cream one.
I think that's a popular one.
It looks really good.
Good thing I chose the strawberry one.
Yes, it looks popular.
We are buying so much.
It's okay. It's a special day.
By the way, do you like coffee or tea?
I love coffee. How about you?
I like tea more. Black tea mostly.
Oh, that's nice. With milk?
Yes, milk and a little sugar.
That sounds so warm and sweet.
It's my favorite drink.
I like coffee with my donut.
Tea goes well with a donut.
Yes, they go well together.
The line is moving now.
Oh, almost our turn.
Waiting is nice too.
Me too. It feels relaxing.
We can see all the donuts again.
Yes, more time to choose.
Do you wait long for popular shops?
Sometimes, yes. About 30 minutes.
Oh, wow. That's long.
But the food is always good.
Then waiting is okay.
Yes, it's part of the fun.
I agree with that.
Look at that little girl.
Oh, she's looking at the donuts.
She looks so excited.
That was me as a kid.
Me too. Donuts were a big treat.
My mom bought them on Fridays.
Oh, every Friday?
Yes, after a long school week.
That sounds so sweet.
It was my favorite day.
I love these little memories.
Me too. They stay with us.
Oh, the line is almost gone.
Yes, our turn is next. Hi, what would you like today?
Hi, can I have 2 chocolate donuts?
Sure. Anything else?
1 lemon donut to share, please.
Got it. And for you, ma'am?
She wants the strawberry one and the heart one.
Great choice. Any drinks?
1 coffee and 1 black tea, please.
Milk with the tea?
Yes, milk and a little sugar.
Will you eat here or take out?
We will eat here, please.
Okay. Your total is $15.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thank you very much.
Please take this number to your table.
Got it. Thanks again.
Enjoy your donuts.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wow, this donut looks so good.
Let's try it.
Cheers.
Cheers!
So soft.
Yes, very soft and sweet.
The chocolate is so rich.
My strawberry one is sweet and creamy.
Can I try a little?
Sure, try a small piece.
Oh, this is really good.
Right? I love this flavor.
It's sweet, but not too sweet.
That's the best kind.
Coffee goes so well with this.
My tea is great with the strawberry donut.
The flavors go well together.
This makes me feel like a child again.
What did you eat as a child?
I loved cookies and milk.
Oh, that's classic.
My mom made cookies every Sunday.
That sounds so nice and warm.
How about you, Ken?
I ate rice crackers a lot.
Oh, I love rice crackers too.
My grandma always gave me some.
That's a sweet memory.
Yes, I miss those days.
What do you do on weekends?
I like to read in the park.
Oh, that sounds peaceful.
I also watch movies at home.
What kind of movies?
I love old movies.
That's cool. I like new ones.
How about your weekends?
I love going to cafes.
Do you have a favorite cafe?
Yes, a small cafe near my house.
What is special about it?
It is very quiet and warm.
That sounds wonderful.
I read books and drink tea there.
I want to go there one day.
Let's go together next time.
I would love that.
When was your last relaxing time?
Last Sunday at the park.
What did you do?
I sat on the grass and watched the sky.
That sounds so nice.
The clouds were moving slowly.
I love watching clouds too.
It makes me feel calm.
This moment feels like that too.
Yes, very calm and sweet.
I'm so glad we came here.
Me too. This is a happy day.
Try the heart one too.
Oh, this one is pretty.
It has cream inside.
Wow, the cream is so smooth.
I love the soft cream.
It melts in my mouth.
Right? Best feeling.
What other sweets do you like?
I love chocolate cake.
Oh, with cream on top?
Yes, and a cup of milk.
That sounds so good.
How about you? Other sweets?
I love mochi very much.
Mochi? The rice cake?
Yes, soft and a little chewy.
I had it once. It was good.
We should try it together.
Yes, I would love that.
My grandma makes it every year.
Oh, that's so sweet.
She makes it for New Year.
That's a nice tradition.
I help her sometimes.
Aw, you're a good grandson.
Thank you.
I want to meet your grandma.
She would love that.
Tell her I said hi.
I will. She's very kind.
My grandma is kind too.
Does she live near you?
No, far away, in another country.
Oh, do you miss her?
Yes, I do. I call her often.
That's nice. Family's important.
Very important to me.
Me too. I love my family.
How is your family?
They are all well, thank you.
That's good to hear.
My mom sends me food sometimes.
Oh, that's so sweet.
She sends rice and snacks.
I miss my mom's food.
What did she cook for you?
Lots of warm soup.
That sounds so good.
It was the best on cold days.
I love soup in winter.
Me too. It warms my heart.
You know, this is fun.
Talking and eating?
Yes, with you.
I feel the same way.
Time goes so fast today.
Yes, but in a nice way.
I want to stay longer.
We can. No hurry.
Should we get more coffee?
Yes, please. One more cup.
Same for me.
This is a really nice day.
One of the best days, I think.
I will remember this day.
Me too. Sweet and warm.
The shop, the donuts, the talk.
All of it. Just perfect.
Should we order one more donut?
Maybe just one more.
The matcha one, please.
Good choice. I'll go get it.
Thank you. You are so kind.
No problem. Wait here.
Okay, I will save your seat.
Thanks. See you soon.
That was so much fun.
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
The donuts were so good.
My favorite was the chocolate one.
Mine was the strawberry one.
It was soft and sweet.
I want to come back soon.
Yes, let's come again.
Maybe next month?
That sounds great.
Or we can try a new place.
Oh, like what?
A nice cake shop, maybe.
I love cake too.
What is your favorite cake?
Cheesecake. Very simple but good.
Oh, I love cheesecake too.
How about you? Favorite sweet?
I love ice cream the most,
Oh, ice cream is so nice.
especially in summer.
Then let's get ice cream next time.
Yes, please.
There's a nice ice cream shop near my school.
Oh, really? Is it good?
Yes, very fresh and creamy.
I can't wait to try it.
We can go after school.
Sounds like a plan.
The weather is still nice.
Let's walk slowly.
I like this quiet street.
Me too. So peaceful.
Today was a sweet day.
Yes, a really sweet day.
Thank you for coming, Ellie.
Thank you for inviting me, Ken.
See you next time.
See you. Have a good night.
You too. Get home safe.
I will. Thank you, Ken.
Text me when you get home.
Okay, I will. Goodbye.
Bye, Ellie. Take care.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why do donuts have a hole? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.